Now let's solve question number 72. Question based on direction sense test. Question states, Raju invited friend George for a dinner at his house. When George asked for the direction of Raju's house, Raju gave him the following instruction. Proceed 140 meters south from your house, then walk 200 meters to east. Then turn to north and walk 100 meters. After that, walk 160 meters to west. Further, this question says, what is the shortest distance between the two houses and the direction to Raju's house from George's house? First of all, let's draw a diagram that represents the given information. So, this is the correct diagram that represents the given information. So, first of all, we are assuming this point as George's house. Clear? And proceeding 140 meters south. That means this distance is 140 meter. He arrives at this point. Then he moves 200 meter in east direction. Thereafter, he turns towards north and walk 100 meter. After that, 160 meter to west. So we can write 100 meter this distance and then 160 meter this distance. So finally this will be the Raju's house. Clear? And what we have to find in this question? The shortest distance between these two houses. So we can write, we have to find this distance. This will be the shortest distance using the concept of Pythagoras theorem. So further we have to extend this line segment. This will be of length 40 meter. This will also be of length 40 meter. Now using the concept of Pythagoras theorem, you will obtain this will be 40 times root 2 meters. That means you can say the shortest distance will be 40 times root 2 meters and the direction will be southeast because this is east and this is south. And we have to find this direction. So out of the given 4 options, clearly we can mark second option is the correct answer for this question. So the answer is option number 2. I hope you understood this question. Now let's proceed question number 73. Now let's solve next question, that is question number 73 in a code language. If appeal is coded as 256572 and play is coded as 7259, then in the same language Perl will be coded as each number code stand for unique alphabet. So first of all, let's decode the coding pattern. Again, a question based on the concept of coding and decoding. So the first word is appeal. So this is coded as 25652 and the second word is play. This is coded as 7259. So when we compare these two words, first we can notice in the first word appeal, A occurs 2 times, P also occur 2 times. So in the given code we are getting 2 numbers which appear 2 times and the numbers are 2 and 5. So you can say the code for AP will be 25. Clear? And you can also notice here L appears in both the words and we can also find a common word in these two codes, that is 7. So we can write the code for letter L is 7. That means we can write the code for letter Y will be 9 from this word play, and with the help of this relation we can further conclude the code for letter E, that is 6. So these are the codes for certain words or letter. Now let's find the code for word Perl. So first for AP we can write 25, for E 6, for R we don't know the exact code for letter R, but for L we have code 7. That means we have to find the code for letter R, 2567. Now let's check the given options. 2567 is available in options. First in option number 1 and second in option number 4. But you can notice one thing, in option number 4 we have 9. That is the code for Y. So this will not be the correct choice. That means you can conclude here option number 1 is the correct answer for this question. So you can simply mark the answer for this question as option number 1. I hope you understood this question. Now let's proceed to the next one.